Hey there everybody, Fun Stampers Journey Coach Janice Whiting here. I am coach number 33 and am an executive manager with Fun Stampers Journey. Today in this video I'm going to show you our new bloom box. This is the bloom box for March, and you might have noticed a difference between this box and, let's see if I can grab one of these, from last month's. So it used to be these little guys, and now we're going to the super cute and crafty craft box with the different tools that we sell on there. So fun, so cute. So just a new fresh design for spring. Our head honcho of creative is Kim Kesty, and she has designed this along with her team, and it's really kind of fun. I kind of like it. But on the inside is the same. So we still have 4 cards, 4 card kits, 1 amazing stamp set, all for a low price of $24.95. So I'm excited to unveil March's. I just got mine yesterday, I believe, and I have been a little, I haven't done a bloom box video, I don't know, in like a good while. I feel like my video is funky. Hopefully it won't start going down on me. Anyway, I haven't done one in a while, so I'm excited to get back to it, okay? And I just love my bloom box subscribers. You guys are awesome. You will be getting the new mini catalog for free in the mail. As soon as I get my big shipment, you'll get yours. It doesn't go live until April 1st anyway, but just giving you that little perk. So this month's stamp set is called A Great Adventure. Oh, there's the glare. Gotta hate the glare. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of here and show you the back side. There we go, that's better. So A Great Adventure, and it comes with these awesome, super fun trees and little mountainscape, the moon, the star, go wild, this little tree cut out, some stars, and then some really great sentiments. It says, life is meant for good friends and great adventure. Follow your heart. And this one down here says, replace fear of the unknown with curiosity. So super cute set. Oh my gosh, it did fall. Y'all, did you see that? Did you see that? You probably didn't. It was like slowly and surely it began to creep down. And I don't know if I'm going to get it back to where it was. There we go. There it goes. You know, I'll just kind of keep going down as we go. So anyway, that's the stamp set right there. Super, super cute. It's got 11 stamps in it. It's a full-size stamp set. You always get a full-size stamp set in this kit, okay? Now, I might have mentioned that it's a 6-month subscription, but we do have the a la carte option. So if you just want 1 month, that's perfectly fine too. The 1 month don't get my free catalog or any of the extra goodies I send, just my 6-month subscribers, okay? But hey, if you want to try it out for 1 month, then I think it's a great idea. I think you should go for it. All right, so let's go ahead and show you the booklet. So here's the booklet. It has all 4 cards and the instructions on how to create each card in there. I'll go ahead and show you the little picture that shows each card. So fun. So usually they have like a coordinating color set. So again, those are the cards. And what I was saying was that they usually have some sort of coordinating color scheme. They kind of sort of, not really this time. I mean, kind of, sort of. This time they just went for really cool cards. Well, hey, I mean, it's always really cool cards, but not a specific scheme. This one also includes a little page on our 4 options for joining. If you want to become a Journey Coach, then it's got the different kit options in there. Really great deal if you want a discount on craft supplies. Let me know. It's a good deal. Okay, so here's card 1. Card 1, it's cute. I like it. I like it. I'm thinking I will probably change a few things on this one. Card 2, super cute and adorable. I like it. I love that color scheme, actually. I love the light blue, the black, and the pop of rich coral. Love it. I don't know if I'll change anything. We'll see. This next one, I love the background, and I like the idea of the little ribbon kind of embellishment right there. Super cute. I don't know if I'll change anything. We'll see. I mean, you know, it's like when the inspiration hits, you just never know what's going to happen. Or time, right? Time sometimes is a big killer. This one, I like that they popped up that cute little heart right there in the middle. You can't tell, as if I turn it, you can see it. I am not a big fan of the background on this one, so I will definitely be changing that up. I might make this one a little bit more graphic. I don't know. We'll see, again, what inspiration will hit me. And then that is the last one. Haha. One. Yes, I showed you 4. Okay, so you get, in this kit, you get the envelopes, obviously, and you get everything you need, everything, with the exception of inks and adhesives. Like, we're assuming you guys have that on your own, and if you don't have it, then you can just place an order for it. Just, you know, tack it along and grab it. So, kit 2, 3, and again, when I say everything, that includes all those cutie patootie little embellishments that are on the card. All the die cuts have been done for you. The cutting of the cardstock has been done for you. It's pretty much all been done for you. All you have to do is follow those super easy instructions and create the cards. Simple as that. And then, of course, there's a little video that comes along with it. You get my video, of course, what I show you what I do with it, this video, right? And there's a little instruction product supply list also that you get ahead of time in case you do want to purchase every little item that you could possibly use with it, or at least kind of start working your way up to gaining some of those supplies, then you can. So I'm going to go ahead and bust into this box, start creating some, and then I'll come back probably later tonight because I'm going to have a little dinner break. I'm about to go work out here in a minute. But later tonight I'll come in, I'll put the video together, and hopefully I will upload it and show you what I've made. Okay? All right. Stay tuned. All right. So I have finished the cards and I am excited to show them to you. So I did change quite a bit. Well, I mean, not quite a bit. I want some of them a lot and some of them not so much, just like a few things. So let me go ahead and show you the first one. So this was the first one right here. All right. So the only thing I changed on this one, this is probably the least changed. Well, maybe not the least changed. There's 2 that I didn't change too much. So all I did was I replaced this light blue panel with a dark blue one because I wanted it to be an evening card. So let's see if I can put this up here so you can see up close. There you go. There you have it. I don't know. I just kind of liked the dark blue look on this one. You can see the stars better. The contrast to the enamel dots is just even better. It's more striking. I don't know. I like it. I think it's cute. But the design is pretty much the same. So all I did was swap out that for a Denim Days panel there. Okay, but still so cute. I'm so excited. The next one, I changed the background on this. So I kept the design the same, but instead of the background to this card, see how it's the, whatever, what do you call that? The tree ring imprint of it. I don't know. You know, if you cut a tree in half, the rings inside, that's that design. Anyway, so I changed it and I put trees in the background because I wanted a more graphic, more standout background. So let's see if I can put this here and still see it. I'll just show you this first. So here's what I did. You can see in the background, I stamped, you might be able to tell anyway, that I stamped the trees. So this full trees for just a more like vibrant pop. And then this is the cards. This is kind of, look at that. So it's just a little bit more striking, but the design is the same. I just wanted to pop out more, kept the design the same. So just put trees in the background, and I kind of like it. I kind of like that background. Okay, that's one. And then the third one, didn't really change too much on this one at all. Honestly, it's pretty much exactly the same, except for I did the center blue, whereas the center on this one was just kind of plain white. It did have some options to color the words, but I kept it black. And oh, I did add the piercing elements because I thought that was a nice design element there. But pretty much kept it the same. So kind of cute like that. And this is the one that I changed a whole bunch. I was not a big fan of the light colors. This last card was just a little too, I don't know. I just wanted something brighter. I mean, it is kind of sweet. It's a very sweet card. but as you will see, I changed it up. I changed it. So I put the trees darker. Okay, so I did black licorice, rock candy, and river stone for the mountains there. And the design, I did not do an arrow. I just kept it as this piece right here was a rectangle, so I just kept that there. I did not fussy cut around the green. I kept it a square, just kept it more clean and simple. I did color the heart red like they did. I did tie the green around and put a cute little X because I thought that was adorable. I don't know if you can see that pink design. There you go. You can see it there. So I just kept it a little bit more simple, a little more classic. Changed it up in that way. So anyway, but those are fun, right? Super cute. All right, so that is the March Bloom Box. Fun new box that matches. So here's the box. If I can get my thing out of there. Box that matches the new instruction booklet. And it's $24.95. So it's $24.95 for a 6-month subscription. And they do have the 1-month option. The 1-month option is higher though. If you go for 1 month, it's $29.95. Okay, so just FYI. Full color book instruction, the video, my take on it, everything you need to create those, minus ink and adhesives. It's really kind of like a mini class. You can take like a mini class a month, once a month, which is kind of cool for $24.95. So not bad. I think it turns out to be around anywhere from $30 to $33 with shipping and tax once it all comes down to it. So anyway, I think that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. I'm so excited to get this one done and get it out there in YouTube land. If you are interested in becoming a Bloom Box subscriber or want to get this one as a one-time deal, then just go to my blog, not my blog, my website, which is www.bunsnapersjourney.com/Janice Whiting. And I think that's it. Stay tuned for more because I plan on doing one a day. That's my goal. Let's see if it happens this week. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.